Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how we can fix this type of issue on YouTube. At first I will show you this issue whenever I try to play the video, it shows this type of error. This content isn't available, try again later. If we try next video, then also same, next, same, next, same. Let's try next playlist. This also same, individual video, same. And if we try to play short video, it shows this type of, and if we try next, this type of error. Sometimes some video plays like this, as you can see, but maximum video this type of error. This content isn't available, try again later. Let's try again on next shot. Again, as you can see, this content isn't available. So this type of error or issue seems if you have ad blocker. For example, I'm using this uBlock origin or uBlock, so it's showing this type of error, as you can see here. If you click here, you can see extensions. On extensions, you may have next or different type of ad blocker like uBlock origin Lite, or any type of ad blocker. If you have, then to solve this issue you need to disable or allow ad on this side. For example, if I click on this extension, it shows this. Either I can pause or I can allow ad on this side. I don't want to pause because I want this ad blocker keep blocking ad on different side, but I want to play video on YouTube, so I need to allow ad on this side. I mean, I should allow ad in YouTube, so click this allow ad on this side. And if you have different type of ad blocker, then you can pause or you can remove. For example, if you click on extension, click this 3 bar, from here you can remove, click remove from Chrome and remove. You can remove this in this way, but I don't want to remove, I just want to allow ad on this side. So click this allow ad on this side. If you are using uBlock origin or uBlock ad blocker, I will click allow ad on this side. As you can see, YouTube refreshed, and now I will play same video. As you can see, it's playing. I have little internet issue, so as you can see, or let's play next. Playing next. Playing.
The perfect gift for your loved ones.
And let's play next individual videos like this. It's playing. It's gonna play all videos. So now let's try on shorts. Let's click. As you can see, shorts playing.
Yes, Bongo.
बहुत साल पहले एक
बाल कटाने पड़े.
So that's how you can easily solve this issue. And if want to again on ad blocker on this side, then click this and again stop allowing ad. Again it refreshed. As you can see, ad is not paused. Let's click. As you can see, this error again occurring. So you need to keep ad blocker on disable for this side. So that's how you can easily fix this issue.